Hi students, this is Akshat Makhija from RVM CAD Bangalore, and we are there with Mr. Anand, who just got a job in CAD design. He is a fresher in mechanical, so congratulations, Anand.
Thank you, sir.
And Anand, where are you from?
I am from Anand, sir.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
Andhra Pradesh, mein, where are you from?
Rajajinagar.
Okay, how far is that from Bangalore?
150, 200 kilometers.
200 kilometers. And what is your profile? Just give me a basic overview, like about your educational qualifications.
Better, sir.
Huh? No, I said, what are your educational qualifications?
BTech, sir.
BTech. Okay. When did you graduate?
2023, sir.
23. So you're a fresher.
Yes, sir.
Did you do any internship before?
Yes, sir. In Trier Vision,
Tria Vision.
composite technologies in Kadapa.
Okay, in Khadappa. What was the work there? Like what kind of work? This was after college or between college time?
Between college.
Okay. Like must be like a 4 or 5 week internship.
Yes, sir.
All right, all right. And which course did you do from RVM CAD?
Autocad and UGNX, Unigraphics.
AutoCAD and UGNX. Okay. So how much time did you take to complete that course?
2 months, sir.
Around 2 months. Okay. And how many hours of practice every day?
Minimum 10, sir.
10 hours you used to practice every day?
Hours, sir. 5 hours.
5-6 hours you used to practice. Okay. So this company, he got placed, by the way, this is the drawing of the company that they gave. It's EFES
Yes, sir.
Control Systems Private Limited. So what was the interview process like? What did they ask you? Just tell me a little bit about that.
We went to EFES Private Limited. Sir. They take our resumes.
Okay.
And they tell I will give one sheet about AutoCAD
or drawing.
Then you have to draw. Okay. In that system. Then finally we will select how.
Like basically they took a practical test.
Yes, sir.
So this is also the sheet also that they gave the practical test of. So how much time did you take to make this drawing?
They gave 15 minutes, sir. We have taken 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Obviously 15 minutes is it's not enough to make this. But you were able to make it in 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Okay. And what about the other kind of questions? Like you told me that they asked about how long can you work in this company and all those things. So what did they ask you?
They ask where are you coming from?
Basic details. Okay. And
how much time do you want to join this job? Next, do you have any bike or not?
Okay, such basic questions they asked. Okay, like if you can live nearby, travel, and all those things. Okay, and you are placed as the role of a CAD designer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what about campus placements? The college did not arrange anything for you?
Arranged, sir, but we are mechanical. No, the coding is not coming, sir, for mechanical.
So what about mechanical companies, core branches? They didn't come to college?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. But now you stay in mechanical only because you entered as a role of a CAD designer.
Yes, sir.
And try to use more 3D softwares also because they are doing jig fixtures and they are doing fabrication work. Yes, they are doing HVAC also. So try to understand that, try to understand drawings, how layouts are done. Yes, work for at least 1 to 2 years and then make a shift to another bigger company. Okay, all the best.
Thank you.
And you can even now you can come for any kind of doubts. You can come. It's free of cost. Yes, any doubts, anything, and campus placements also you can attend. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.